subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new smartphone under G series in Brazil called Moto G9 Plus with a unique camera design. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G9 Plus features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display with HDR10 support, and it has a large 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via hybrid SIM card slot. As per the camera, the Moto G9 Plus supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. The quad-ray cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 and it comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 30 watts turbo power charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 170 by 78.1 by 9.7 millimeters and it weighs around 223 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G9 Plus has been priced in Brazil at 2,249 Brazilian reals. And it is now available for purchase in the country in rose gold and indigo blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G9 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.